employees in UK workplaces. So I will explain how I will get the proposal in 15 minutes. Let's follow this step-by-step guide to prepare your proposal. So just I want to clarify one thing that this proposal is just for not submission to university or something, because we use AI to improve our write-up. So what I suggest that you can generate the proposal and then do brainstorm and using different secondary resources and then make a more perfect, more balanced and something that is acceptable at on higher level. So that is what we do and also we suggest. So this AI is just to generate proposal which you can use to develop it further. So we are not suggesting that you can directly submit it to university, neither it is recommended because they employ different tools. Now the first component uh, to generate a proposal, like we must be clear once we have the topic, since it is quantitative, so we must know like what is be my dependent and what is going to be my independent variable. So once you have the topic, you can ask ChatGPT like, can you tell me like what is my dependent and what is my independent variable in this. And once I asked ChatGPT, I got like this, these suggested variable, independent variable, and the dependent variable. So I also explained in my last video, you can take any combination to develop any topic. So what I did is that I have selected one independent variable and which is inclusive recruitment practices, and one dependent variable that is job desk job satisfaction of neurodiverse employees. So my topic now is the impact of inclusive recruitment practices on job satisfaction of neurodiverse employees in UK workplaces. A quantitative study or analysis, whatever you want, you can modify in that way. So once we have the topic, now I am going to the next step. What is going to be my research component? Guys, all these things are important because we'll develop a prompt so that we'll get a perfect proposal which we can use to improve it further. So here, like I have to define my research component. For that, we need four things. So those four things are like topic we already have. We already have dependent and independent variables since it is a quantitative study. Then we must be clear of our methodology. So here I am going to use survey using 5-point Likert scale or 7-point Likert scale, and analysis I am going to use regression analysis. So you must be clear what methodology that you are going to use so that you will get your proposal accordingly. Now the third thing is structure, because different universities have different structure. There are certain standard structure also. So you must be clear about that thing to get perfect proposal from ChatGPT. Now word count, it can be 1500 to 2500 as per your university. So once you know about these things, then you can develop your prompt. So first you know about dependent independent variables, then all these components what I explained. Once you have the now structure, since if you don't have, we'll ask ChatGPT to give us the structure, and the structure prompt is, can you write a quantitative dissertation proposal structure for topic, the impact of inclusive recruitment practices of job satisfaction in neurodiverse employees in UK workplaces. So I have developed this. So I will ask, and also I write, I am going to use survey methodology using 5-point Likert scale. So now this is perfect, and I am taking copycat, taking this to chat GPT, new chat, and here I copy paste. Let's see what structure I'm getting. So here the chat GPT is suggesting me the structure. Okay. So you are seeing that how ChatGPT is giving me the complete proposal and it is taking the standard structure. So as you see, guys, we have developed a 1500 words proposal, a perfect proposal. Okay, so once you have this, now you can modify it as per the availability of resources that you are having. Okay, so let me copy paste and then I will explain how. So these I generated 15 word, 100 word proposal. I developed a perfect prompt and it gave me the perfect proposal. It is not perfect because next step is like how I am going to improve it. Okay, so I am taking it to a new word file. If you see, it's the word count is around 1100, 1200. So you can ask ChatGPT again the section which you want in more detail. Let's suppose I want this literature review in more detail. So I will ask ChatGPT, can you write this in more details in 1000 words? So as per your word count, you can ask for more word count in literature review and methodology section. Okay, so you can ask any specific section, and once you have, mm, now you will see we have introduction, we have research aim and objective. So to measure the perceived inclusiveness of recruitment processes experience. So we have aim, we have objective, now we have research question. So we have, this is important because on the basis of this you will employ regression analysis to check whether the hypothesis is correct or not, and then literature review is also there, and then methodology is there, and you have the data collection tool. So data collection tool, like you have to design the survey, which I will uh, you can use using Google Form once you have. And this pilot study, it's on you whether your university wants pilot study or not. However, what I from my experience, it is not required for most of the tasks. And finally, we have the data analysis. So mostly SPSS, Excel. So I will cover in the coming forward video. So guys, so this is the proposal that you develop in less than 15 minutes, a perfect proposal which you can use to develop your thesis or dissertation. Now, the thing is that if you really like my video, please, I request you that if you have any question, you can WhatsApp, or if you want our help, you want us to develop your perfect proposal, then please WhatsApp us. I want to tell you that we are using AI to just to develop the structure, and in our work, you don't find any AI or any chat GPT things. We use it to brainstorm and make it perfect. So you can also use it in that way and then use your research to make it a perfect thesis, because if you submit it directly, then you will get caught in the university because they employ different tools. And if you have any comment, please comment. To get any clarification, please guys, like and subscribe our channel. It is very important. It will motivate us. And if you need our help, you want us to develop, please message us or visit our website, fill our form, or WhatsApp us. Anything is perfect for us. We'll get back to you. Okay, guys, have a good day. Bye. Thank you.